Hi friends! Welcome to Lucky Joy Treasures. Today we are opening a lucky mystery box for Sarah. Let's see what is inside. First, we got Korean earrings. Next, a beautiful rose gold bracelet. Then an anti-tarnish chain. Wow! There is also a rose gold watch. We also got a makeup bag and a cute unicorn coin pouch. Next, a jewelry case. And a makeup brush. And we got one extra bonus item. We also found perfume. Finally, a water bottle. This mystery box for Sarah has many nice surprises. Which item is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Want to test your luck? Try a mystery box and see what surprise you get. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Lucky Joy Treasures. Thank you!